Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set due dates in Todoist. Todoist is a powerful task management and productivity tool that helps you organize, takes plan, projects and stay on schedule, and one of its useful features is the ability to set due dates and reminders so you never forget important tasks or deadlines. And in this video I'll show you how to set due dates in Todoist step by step using a laptop. So first you need to open any of the web browser on your laptop and go to the search bar at the top, type down todoist.com and enter it. Over here make sure to log into your Todoist account and open to your dashboard. So over here you can add or open a task you already have it previously, or you can also go to your project that you already had. Over here select plus add task to create a new task again, and the task detail panel will open. You can click on this due date field or the calendar icon right over here. Choose a date from the calendar or type a natural phrase like today, tomorrow, next week, or you can also choose it, and if the date, that's it. Todoist automatically understand these phrases, and once you've set the due date and the reminder you can select add task right over here, and Todoist will now notify you at the scheduled time. And that's it. That's how you can easily set due dates and reminder in Todoist. Using this feature helps you stay organized, meet deadlines and stay productive. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion on how to set due dates, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.